Rice production in the United States has increased. Sound bearish for rice prices, right? Not necessarily. The latest USDA report has actually given the rice market an interesting signal. Production is higher, but the US rice stocks are still 33% below last year. And the USDA is keeping its average rice prices forecast significantly higher than last season. So, what does this mean for rice prices, and more importantly, what could it mean for the Indian rice market? Let's break it down. Hello everyone, you are watching Commodity Today English. I am Palak Singh. Today we are looking at the latest USDA August 2026 rice outlook and the important numbers that every rice trader, farmer and market participant should watch. And stay till the end because I'll explain whether this report is bullish or bearish for rice prices in India. The USDA has raised its forecast for the US 2026 to 2027 rice production to 158.4 million underweight, up 1.5 million from previous estimate. But here's the catch. The increase is mainly because of higher harvested acreage. Average yields has actually been reduced to around 7,644 pounds per acre. So now let's look at the stocks. US ending stocks are projected at 36 million underweight. That's higher than the previous estimate but still 33% lower than last year. So while more rice is being produced, the overall supply cushion remains tighter than last season. And this is reflected in price outlook. The USDA has maintained its average US rice prices forecast at $14.90 per underweight, compared with the just $12.50 last season. That's clear indication that the USDA doesn't expect the increase in production to create a major price collapse. Now, what does this mean for India? The report is mildly supportive for Indian rice prices, but it's not a strong bullish signal. Why? Because the global rice market remains well supplied while India has its own large domestic stocks and export dynamics. So Indian traders should watch export demand, government stocks, paddy arrivals, monsoon conditions and export policy very closely. The key takeaway is higher production does not automatically mean lower prices. It's the balance between production, consumption and ending stocks that really matter. So for now, US rice is mildly bullish, global rice is well supplied, Indian rice is neutral to mildly bullish. So what do you think? Will Indian rice prices rise or fall from here? Comment below, like the video and subscribe for more rice market updates. Thanks for watching.